This is the bomb, and I'm supposed to show you my birthday present. So, I got a lava lamp. It's supposed to be pink and orange if you can't see. And I also got this really cool designer charms thingy, tattoo, and then beaded ribbons. You're supposed to make a bracelet, and a bunch of cards, like this cool drawing, some cards, and this, and I also got $60 which is in my wallet. So, post, comment, and subscribe. Now, see you tomorrow.